Hey, so today's video I just wanted to give a little announcement. Basically, in yesterday's video, I got a comment that had an excellent suggestion, and it said, it's from someone called Butt Up. They had a great suggestion and they said that it would be nice if there exists some kind of group with Finnish people for practicing language with native speakers. Could be Facebook or Discord. I really have difficulties making friendships with people in my country, so I have no idea how to get some friends who live in Finland. So that's my idea. I think it's interesting to make a group for us who like your channel. Nice video, nice explanation. You teach very well. So first of all, thank you for the comment. That was really sweet of you to say, and I do think you're absolutely correct. I've never used Discord in my life. Facebook, I already have a page for this channel, but I agree. I think it's about time I set up a group within my page so that people can join the group and then interact with other like-minded people, other people trying to learn Finnish, other people who maybe already speak Finnish and can give helpful tips and tricks. You can share your own language journey. You can share your own tips and tricks or your own experiences like living in Finland or traveling to Finland, get ideas for traveling to Finland, anything to do with Finland, Finnish culture, learning Finnish, just a group where you can all communicate with each other, share interests, and interact together. I actually initially created a group for my Facebook page back in November, but somehow along the way I forgot about it, and currently I was the only member in it. So as of today, I'm opening up the group for everyone to use, and I will leave the link down below in the description box. So if you go down and click on it, it'll take you to the Facebook group. So yeah, anything like this, if you have any suggestions on how I can improve, you know, the flow of information and stuff like this person did, do leave it in the comments below because I'm very keen to take your suggestions on board, and as you can see, hopefully I'm quick to initiate them as well. And yeah, thank you again for this idea. So yeah, that was it for today, and I guess that just about concludes this video, so till next time.